One of the less known but still common traffic offenses in New York is a violation of the move-over law. New York law requires drivers to slow down and switch lanes, if possible, when an emergency vehicle is stopped in the next lane over. Like any other traffic ticket, these tickets will result in fines, points on your driver's license, and increased car insurance premiums, so it's a good idea to hire a lawyer to fight the case in court. What is the move-over law? Drivers are required to slow down and, if possible, switch lanes when there is an emergency vehicle stopped in the shoulder. Unless it would be unsafe or impossible to do so, drivers are required to leave an empty lane between themselves and the stopped emergency vehicle. Emergency vehicles include police cars, ambulances, fire trucks, tow trucks, and any other vehicle with amber lights. Failing to move over for a stopped emergency vehicle is considered a moving violation that comes with a maximum $150 fine for a first offense, 2 to 3 points on your driver's license, and an $88 to $93 surcharge. A second offense raises the fine to $300, and a third offense raises the fine to $450. Like any other moving offense in New York, if the ticket results in a driver having 6 or more points on their license, they will also be required to pay an extra fine of at least $300. Finally, like other moving violations, move-over violations come with a hidden cost in the form of increased car insurance premiums. One study found that a single moving violation can increase your car insurance premiums by up to 20%, which can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. How do you beat a move-over ticket? There are several defenses we might be able to use to defend you against a move-over ticket. New York law prohibits drivers from changing lanes if the driver thinks it's unsafe to do so. So if there was no safe way to move over, that's a defense. If you couldn't have moved over without crossing a double yellow line, a court may find you not guilty of a move-over violation. Another defense could be that you didn't have enough time to move over. For example, if the emergency vehicle was stopped on the other side of a hill, and you didn't see it until you were on top of the hill, it might have been impossible for you to move over to another lane before you passed it. If you received a ticket for failing to move over for a stopped emergency vehicle, contact Rosenblum Law and traffictickets.com for a free consultation today. We'll answer your questions, discuss your defense options, and walk you through the process from beginning to end.